Alright, what is up guys? So, it's finally time to announce that the Negative G inverse wheels are launching. I know you guys have seen us driving these for a while, just kind of testing out the prototypes, and now they're finally ready for release. I went and picked up the first set the other day in the official packaging, and so we're gonna unbox this and take a look at the wheels, and I'll kind of break down the features and kind of you know, what sets these wheels apart. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the table and open this bad boy up and we'll talk about it. Alright guys, so this is the box. Inverse wheels, high performance 1.9 bead locks, carbon fiber, aluminum, stainless screws. This model of wheel is called the FIVE-6, negative GRC, and then we've got some social media links on the back. So let's open this up and see what they look like. As always, Jess coming through with the awesome stickers. Digging the new inverse logo. I like that, you know, it's got that orange in it. Because, you know, I always have orange in my bodies. And no, that wasn't planned. That's just something Jess came up with. If I influenced that choice, that's cool too, but I dig it. So we'll set those aside. And so they're wrapped in this paper with a little logo on it. I think that's kind of a nice touch. We got a little piece of candy. That's a really small piece of candy. What the hell? Got your hardware. And these are the wheels. Look at that. So you've got your carbon fiber beadlock ring, and then this is like the front face plate. You've got your replaceable hub, and this is like the aluminum back plate. And so, let's see. Got another one here, so we'll just kind of take this apart. And so the reason why Jess decided to do wheels is because when we started working on the CCV1 for the Capra, you know, whenever you run Capra axles, a lot of times people look for heavily offset wheels because Capra axles are really wide. So you can get the width of the crawler, you know, like within spec or normal or what have you, with offset wheels, but you still have a lot of clearance because, again, those axles are wider. So, you know, when he was working on the CC, I was researching wheels, and I was like, Jess, wheels for Capra axles they're really hard to find, because there's not a lot of companies that make them, and if they do make them, they're hard to get a hold of because they're not in stock. So, you know, Jess said, well, maybe I'll just make wheels. And here we are months later with Negative G's first set of wheels. So beadlock ring. Then this is the front face with the removable hub. And this is what sets your offset. These are the hubs that it'll come with. And he has the sizes on the website. I'm going to call these medium. And then you've got your back piece plate. And so this is the beadlock ring, but if you'll notice, it looks kind of funny. It's got this groove in it. And so the reason why there's a groove here, and I should have brought another wheel. I'll be right back. Okay, had to go downstairs and get a tire. So the beadlock ring has a groove in it, and what this is, it's designed to lock your dual stage foam into place. So I'm going to take this out, but okay, so got my dual stage foam. These are Crawler Innovations Lil Nova softs, and then for the rupture tires I use the outer piece of foam too, just because the tires are taller. So with the dual stage foams like Crawler Innovations and Proline, the inner foam is shaped a certain way, and so these rings lock into the foam, so when you're side hilling, the foam doesn't slide on the ring, which if you've been crawling for any length of time, that's kind of an issue. So you'll see people that try gluing the foam to the ring, or they'll use double stick tape or like skateboard grip tape, and it's annoying. So Jess designed this beadlock ring to lock the foam into place. So, and like if you look at my videos, you'll notice we do a lot of side hilling, and so this is just awesome. So you've got the foam locking beadlock ring, and then some of the accessories you'll be able to get. Let's see. Okay. So there's going to be 3 different sizes of hubs. These are, I'm going to call the like the small hubs. So these are gonna pull the tires in closer, to the portals. These are probably what you would want to use for capra axles, but even with these, and these are from, like, Jess didn't make these. These are outsourced. So even with these, with this offset, depending on the size of your tire, the tire can rub like on part of the knuckle or the portal. So Jess is also going to sell these spacers. So these are spacers that you can use to tune that offset, like, just right. So these would just go like this, and you like bolt that to the wheel, and you can, just kind of fine tune the offset. And then this is the wheel assembled on a rupture. They weigh 54 grams, so they're on the lighter side. With high performance crawling or LCG crawling or belly dragging, the trend is kind of leaning towards lighter weight wheels, because you want that low rotating mass, and then it just keeps the overall weight down in general. All right, guys, let's go back up. All right, guys, so that is just a quick video on the inverse wheels. These are hitting the site today, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, we've been running them for a while. These are the prototypes on my TC. You can see with the like the raw aluminum back shell. I mean, pretty happy with the wheels, especially how they fit on the Capra. They're lighter than the wheels that I was using, which were the Proline wheels. And with this like grooved beadlock ring, this is not the first wheel to have something like that, but it's weird that more companies don't do it, because the foam sliding on the ring, it's kind of if you side hill, that's a huge problem. So it's weird that other companies don't do it, but I'm glad that Jess did. So yeah, when you're side hilling, I mean, the foams are just like locked on there. But anyway, guys, just a quick video on those. If you have any questions or comments, if you have any questions or complaints, leave them in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.